The most cost-effective purchase in our online pharmacy is our first aid kit. They're smaller bottles for acute needs, priced to encourage you to try this beautiful healing medicine. When I looked for myself and tried for myself, I found that plants work better than pharmaceuticals, better than any allergy medicine, better than any pain medicine, better than Ambien, better than Tamiflu. I'd never give my kids stimulants or sedatives because they're bad for your health. But I've been told that calm and focus work just as well as pharmaceuticals, and they're good for your health. The Bible suggests when you feast on heavy foods, bread and meat, take your bitter herbs like Digest Ease, which flattens your tummy from bloating. Clear Skin work just as well as prednisone for poison ivy, side-by-side tested, and is gentle enough to use for acne. Pick any 5 medicines that you want for your medicine cabinet. There's a link to a summary of the 20 most common and what you would use them for. When you order, I'll throw in an essential oil roller, and you can sign up on our website to get a free book, Using Essential Oils to Clear Emotional Blocks, plus a bunch of other free stuff.